Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of our Comp 2 class, English 2767. At the top of the screen here, you'll see the things that are due this week. You have a discussion board post due by Wednesday, February 9th. I'll go over that in a second. And then the following things are all due Sunday, February 13th. You should read Shadow of Humanity, which is linked below. There is homework 4 due by Sunday, and you'll also be submitting a complete final draft of your first essay as well. Homework 4. Actually, let's take a look at the discussion board first, since that's the first thing you'll be working on. We have discussion board 4 down here. For this, I'd like you to watch this video about the Mammoth Cave Biosphere region. And you're going to write a 1-paragraph reaction to it when you're done. Was it at all interesting to you? What does this video suggest about making environmental activism successful? Why did it work in the Horsehead region of Kentucky? How could we possibly apply the way they went about it to other areas that need activists' help? So pretty straightforward in your initial post. Again, that is due Wednesday. And then your response posts are due Sunday. Just respond to at least 2 of your classmates. As per usual in our class, you can respond in any way that you see fit. I do ask that you try to make your responses substantive. If I go through and grade your responses and it feels like you're not really saying much to extend the conversation, you're not really doing much with what your classmate has already said, you will stand to lose some points there. But otherwise, you can choose to respond in a way that you see fit. Homework 4, I'd like you to write a 2-page reaction to the conversation in Shadow of Humanity. This should be double-spaced. For most of your 2-page reaction, just react to the article/conversation. Did you like it? Why or why not? What seemed to be the most important part of it? Why? But then make sure that you have at least 1 paragraph in which you respond specifically to this quote from the article. The quote is, "You helped substantiate an intuitive understanding and bond that human beings have. You put data to the truth such stories carried." What do you think that the speaker meant by this? And what does this have to do with our conversation this semester about how scientists communicate their ideas to the public? So that's what you're doing for homework 4, The Shadow of Humanity and the Spirit of Animals. You will find that here. There's also a note, you can scroll down to the bottom and listen to this conversation if you would rather do that than read it. And then you will submit your final essay, your final draft of essay 1 here as well. I know this could be easy to overlook down here at the bottom of the week 4 folder. Make sure that you do not forget about it. If you have any questions about your paper, you want any feedback on anything, or assistance with it, let me know and I would be happy to help you. That is all for this week. As always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and have a nice week.